Alright, we got the new CinemaMachine cam working. You can see it follows us up and down. There's a little bit of parallax on the ends. If you go fast over there, you can see that it kind of turns a little before it gets flat on. I can make that less so. But honestly, the closer it gets to that, the closer it gets to the little one-liner script I wrote before I got the CinemaMachine cam going, so we'll see. So Zach said we need a way to die. So you can see we got lives up there in the upper top area. And so if we contact a rim, we lose a life. See that fade out? So I can get a life back by going through one of these. And I think those will like only appear after either they'll appear after you've lost a life, so you can go get a life back, and then when you make a basket they disappear again, or they just only give you a point if you use them before you die. I think they should also still go away after that, so you squander your chance at an extra life when you decide, like, towards the end of a level you've got almost all the hoops done, and you just go get your points. Just go get a life. One. Alright, let's go up a couple levels. Hi, kitty cat. There we go. I'm low on life. I'm out of life. So now the game's over. Oh, except I just got a life back. So I didn't finish the game over condition yet. But that's where we're at as of 1:11:24.